Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about the Phantom Wallet airdrop, which we are expecting hundreds to thousands of dollars from. And the airdrop is way too simple and very easy. So all you have to do about the airdrop is simply follow people, and people get to follow you. The more people that actually follow you, the more your airdrop allocation, and the more people that you follow as well, this also helps you determine your airdrop allocation. So it is way too easy, and I'll be covering a lot of parts right here. The part that most of the YouTubers are not covering, I'm going to be covering it right here on this video, which is to show you the exact step and the strategy that you need to use for you to create your own username, and also how you can be able to follow people on this account, and also automatically how you can get one automatic followers right now as you're watching this video. So it is way too simple and very easy. When you look over here right now, you can see that this is my own username right here. It's this is my username. This is Smoggy. I pronounce it. This first K is silent, so I pronounce it Smoggy right here. So I've already created my username, but right now, before I will go ahead and tell you how you can be able to find people and follow people, let me first of all teach you how you can be able to create your own username, because that is the first step that you actually need to take for you to be able to earn something really interesting from this airdrop from Phantom Wallet. So right now, let's get started. This is actually for people that may find it very confusing. So right now, let's go ahead and click on create your username, a unique identity for your wallet. But before you go ahead and of course create your own username, you go ahead and make sure that your Phantom Wallet is completely up to date. If it's not yet up to date, then you may find some difficulty trying to do the same. So right now, let's go back to our Phantom Wallet right now, and I will proceed by clicking on create a username. So right now I will click on it, and you're going to be seeing this little animation. Right now it's going to be showing you some benefits of actually creating this username: simple identity, faster and easier, and also stay in the sync. So this means that it's very simple to actually get someone's address, because if you know the person's username, automatically you can send crypto to them, and you can see easily send and receive crypto, log into your wallet and connect with friends. This means that you using your username that you're about to create right now, someone can actually send you crypto coin if the person actually knows your username. So right now we proceed by clicking on continue. So right now, one thing that I actually needed to put in mind while you are trying to do this is that the username that you are creating right here is very unique to only you. So if you type in any name right here that has already been taken by another person, you are going to have a message like username unavailable. But if you type a username that no one else has, then you are going to be good to go. For the sake of this tutorial, I will type in something like, okay, I will type in something like just test wallet. I will just type in test wallet like this. Okay, my bad. Test wallet. This is already taken, right? I will, okay, you can see username already taken, but when I type in test wallet 1, and guess this should be available because no one else is answering test wallet 1 except this one that I'm using on this tutorial. So I will click on continue, and once I click on continue, I need to select an emoji that is going to be showing on my profile. So right now I will click on collectible, then I'll have to select this rocket just as my only image, then I'll click on save. So this is going to be loading up real quick, and you can see on this my wallet I actually have 2 accounts on it. So the username is going to be used for my both accounts. So we go ahead and click on continue, and right now link your wallet. I'll be linking my wallet 1 and wallet 2. Then right now I have to click on continue, and right now you can see these are my addresses right now. So I will go ahead and click on finally create username. So right now our username is being created right now, and in just a moment we have a message that our username has been successfully created. Alright guys, so once you are done creating your own username following the step that I just showed you right now, so what you need to do next is simply look at the left top corner. You're going to be seeing your username. This is my own username right here, Smoggy. Alright, so this first K is silent, but it is pronounced as Smoggy. So right now I will go ahead and do some stuff right here. So what I need to do first is simply go ahead and of course click on this icon. Then you have to click on this view profile right here. So once you click on view profile, then you go ahead and of course click on edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, you make sure that your privacy is set to public so that everyone can see you. Anyone that search for you can see you way too easily. Okay, so right now let's go ahead and talk about how you can be able to search for someone. To be able to search for someone, you go ahead and of course click on this search icon at the top. Then for example, I will search for myself like this. Okay, I will search for myself like this. So this should be showing up my profile right now, and over here guys, this is my profile. I only have 7 followers right now, and when you type this right now over here, you are going to be seeing my profile like this. So I will go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, then you go ahead and give me a follow. You can see right here guys, I only have 7 followers, and when I click here right now on the follower, you can see that I have 7 followers and I'm following 7 persons. This means that immediately you follow me, I'm following you back immediately. Simply go ahead and follow me, type the name, follow me, then I will follow you back immediately. And that is exactly how you get 1 follower automatically. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I believe you got a value out of this video. Let's see what this future holds about this airdrop as we wait for the announcement of the next step from Phantom Wallet. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you guys as soon as more of our videos are ready to be shared. Peace out, and of course, do have a lovely day.